This is the white noise sound machine by Dreamegg. This is a sound machine that has to be plugged into the wall, so it isn't rechargeable with USB and it doesn't contain any batteries. Of the different sound machines and white noise machines that we've tried, this one is our favorite. So it has some different noise settings here. It also has a little nightlight that's built in as well, which is really great. It has a timer feature as well, so you can set it to be on for 30 minutes, 60 minutes, or 90 minutes. And so I will kind of show you some of the sounds that it makes. So to turn it on here, this is the power button. So this is just one setting here. You can turn it down or up. And here are some of the different sounds that it makes. So those are all the different sounds that this little machine makes. It is phenomenal. We've really enjoyed it and we use it every night. We used it even before we had a baby, when we just lived somewhere that had a lot of traffic noises at nighttime, just to sort of drown that out. To turn on the night light, you can just kind of press the center button here. It has two functions, one that keeps the light on, and then one that sort of has a fade in, fade out function as well. So I gotta turn that on. So here is sort of the night light function there, and sort of like this sort of fade in, fade out. It is kind of bright in the room that I'm in right now, so the light is maybe a little bit harder to see, but it's quite nice. And so that is the white noise machine sound machine by Dreamegg.